Mdunnet. Been mountain biking for almost 2.5 days now. This is the Mish Lightning. Got it from Banshee on the barter system. Did a series of illustrations for them this past few months. It's got some Fox shocks. Got these dial thing here where you push it down and then you click it. My brother was showing me about that one. Disc brakes. It's got carbonite crankshafts and a seat post. It's supposed to be pretty good. I think they froze Han Solo in it, so it's got to be strong. Race face stuff on there, some straight line stuff. It's yellow with some purple decals. It's an all-mountain Ruin, Banshee Ruin. Got these tires. Beautiful here, absolutely beautiful. Nice bike. Thanks, brother. I just crashed on my way home. Got a little bloody. Hit some big air and went into a ditch. I'm filthy. I think I quit biking. I hate it. It stings. It's stinging. See that shot? Landed right on the pedal, just like I planned.